welcome guys to Kitchen Chronicles where we cook. This is my chef.
This is piranha dried fish.
Yeah.
You see this one? It's very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. Look at that, piranha.
Dried fish.
What
And this is fried rice guys. And this I do. And that one.
Look at that. Look at that. Piranha fried fish. Very dangerous, very tasty.
Yes, it's tasty.
Look at that. 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 You see this guy? You see. Look at that. Look at that, Gabi.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ah! Nang, ba't ganyan tayo? Ausan mo niya kasi mama ko kami nga naman, mama ko kami. Butaka kami ka Romel.
Okay guys.
Abang tayo.
That is more piranha dried fish.
Mabisaya naman yan, no?
This is what you call pio.
Look at that.
This is what we call pio in
What?
Tagalog.
Piranha.
This is what we call piranha in Tagalog, in English. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. The colors there.
Shout out to
The aroma is there.
sino?
Oh,
Shout out to Tita Michelle Angeles Palo.
yes. Special things, yeah.
Uh,
Look at that. Look at that.
Sino yung egg? Where's the egg? Wait. Wait guys, wait. There is more guys, chicken. My chef guys has gone. Welcome my guys. I will wait for it. And this is, guys. This is, you know guys, as you can see here, this is the results here. This is the results here, guys.
Look at that.
Look at that. Naman to eh.
Look at that.
That guys. And this is our cooking channel guys. Kitchen Chronicles. Look at that. The smelling of the taste. And the taste of the fried rice. And the piranha dried fish here. The taste. Guys, Kitchen Chronicles guys, this is our YouTube channel, Kitchen Chronicles. Kitchen Chronicles guys, this is our YouTube channel. It's there. As you can see here guys, here, piranha dried fish, egg, and our homemade and our homemade fried rice. And this is also guys, as you can see here, this is also guys a cucumber. Guys, we'll put the cucumber, we'll cut the cucumber guys, and guys, shout out guys too. As you heard earlier guys, we said shout out to Tita Michelle Angeles. Hello. Hey, shout out guys. And yeah guys, the second shout out goes to Tita Maui Angeles.